Hello everyone, this is Afsar Ali. In this video tutorial, we'll be seeing how we can generate a JUnit report with our WebDriver IO project. Okay, so for that we need to have one dependency called a WDIO JUnit reporter. So let's install this reporter dependency. So basically you can see over here in the WebDriver IO documentation, you can see under the reporter section, you can see the JUnit. So we can have many reporters like Alio report, dot report, concise report, spec report. So video reporter, HTML. There are a lot of cool reporter are available. So we'll be discussing one by one. So for this one, let's go with the JUnit. Then after that, we'll see other reporter as well. So for that JUnit reporter, we need to install it. Let's just install it. Okay, so it will install the JUnit reporter. Then after that, you need to add this block here in the your configuration file as well. So within the reporter, you need to add JUnit, then output directory where the XML file will be generated. Actually, it will generate XML file. So in this directory, so we need to create one directory where all the XML file of that uh, JUnit will be here. And what is the output format? Like what are the name of that XML or something you can customize according to your use. So this thing we can do. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. Then let's add those uh, parameters here in the reporter section. In the reporter section, I have just copied and pasted the JUnit and output directory reporter JUnit. So here I created one folder called reports. Okay, within that report, I added one more folder called JUnit report. So basically, whatever the return type of this report, this dependency will be a XML file. So once you get the XML file, from XML you can generate HTML as well. And in Jenkins, when the run is completed, you can provide this XML file path name, and it will generate the cool report in the run console, right? I mean, in the Jenkins. From in Jenkins, they can provide this XML file, and you'll get the cool HTML file as well. So let's see how it works and how it will generate a JUnit report within this folder. All right. So if I run our earlier project WDIO back WDIO config.js, in this, if I run this one node module bin something, if I run this one, sorry, not this one, it's not config. I think it's a WDIO dot, okay. So what I can do now, node modules dot beans WDIO, then WDIO dot config dot js. So this is my file, and I'm running it, and I'll see whether I'm getting a JUnit XML file or not. Okay, so now all passed, all green. Then if I go in here, yes, so it's a JUnit report .xml file is being generated with all the required information over here. All right, so that's cool. And then next thing is we need to generate the HTML as well out of these, right? So for that we need this dependency as well. npm WDIO JUnit, JUnit to HTML. So let's install that one as well. So if I install that, okay, so now it's being installed. So in here, you can see I need to write in WDIO HTML. So here I need to write this input directory and the output directory of the here. This is the input directory, means the HTML, sorry, the XML file directory, and here the output HTML directory where you want to have that HTML file. So just I'll copy this one from here and I'll paste it into my test. In the package.json, you will find here I have written the test. So if I run this test, so basically it will run the configuration file. So in here I need to add one more command. Okay, so two command I am writing over here. So the first one will run my test. After run completion is done, then it will run the second one that will run my JUnit. So if I write reports and JUnit report. All right, so this is my input directory of that file, and I want to generate in the same directory as well. So reports JUnit reports. Okay, so if you see, this is the not S, it's a report. Okay, so if I run this now, npm run test, what will happen? It will run my test first, then after that it will run from XML to HTML generation code, right? So let's see whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so all passed. Now you can see HTML file is being generated. So let's see how it looks. Rebellion Finder, and if I open up, this is how it looks. So cool. All right, so this is how we can generate a JUnit reporter, right? Yeah, thanks for watching.